What's up, guys? You know we're the Melon Boys. Today we're gonna cook in some Jamaican style curry chicken, country style. Gonna be cooking up some good curry chicken and boiled dumplings. Delicious.
Guys, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, do all the crazy stuff.
Put in some water, make our boiled dumplings. Back right here. Oh God. Clean this up. So now clean up my chicken back. We don't need all this fat on there. Take off some of the fat. Chop that real quick. Yeah. Now we need to wash the chicken back. So let's ask this.
We're just currently washing the chicken again because I don't know why.
Wash the chicken back, get it nice and clean.
Yeah, that's the reason why.
Pot getting real hot. Check it out over there. See that?
I'm gonna be doing the cutting part, so I'm gonna be cutting like all of this random stuff. First, I'm gonna be putting the garlic, right?
Yeah, man, cut it up, bro. Right inside that chicken back.
Got that down too. The onion. Okay, big. Okay, got it. Got this. Got that.
Yeah. That's it, show it inside.
Sure.
Yeah, man,
I'm gonna cut it smaller.
that's good. I don't like it too small. When you're a little bigger,
Yeah.
the flavor spread out more in the food. Like from the start of cooking to the end, you continue getting the onion flavor.
That hot.
Come on, bro, chop that onion up, man. That's it. Inside. The time you don't have to cut that, just throw it right in there.
I know. Well, I just messed up.
Throw it right in there.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay. So now let me show you how to cut. What is this again?
Scallion, bro.
Okay.
You don't remember Scallion?
Scallion like a boss. Now, I'm gonna actually show you how to cut it like a rose. I'm gonna put this one to the side for now. So let's go. So what you have to do is, when you're cutting it, cut it at